Magandang buhay po at welcome back dito sa aking Mathematics Tagalog tutorial. Sa video na ito ay papaliwanag ko sa inyo about probability on how to find or how to calculate the probability of an event using the Venn diagram. Okay, for number 1, we are going to determine the probability of A mula po dito sa ating Venn diagram. Okay? Number 2, the probability of B. This one. Number 3, the probability of A intersection B. And then, number 4, the probability of A union B. And last, the probability of A complement intersection B complement. So, paano nga po ba i-determine or makuha yung probability ng different events? Yan po yung aking papaliwanag sa inyo step by step. Okay, so let's start. We are going to solve or find the probability of events. So, for number 1, we have the probability of event A. So, mula po dito sa ating Venn diagram, ito po yung ating event A at ito yung ating event B. So, for number 1 question, ang hinahanap niya ay yung probability of event A. So, ang probability po niya ay yung numbers inside the circle A or event A. So, ito po 0.1 and 0.3. So, ang gagawin lang po natin dyan, you are going to add. So, what is 0.1 plus 0.3? That is equal to 0.4. So, therefore, the probability of event A mula sa Venn diagram is 0.4. Okay, how about probability of event B? Gawin din lang po yung ating prosesong gagawin. Ito po yung ating event B. Circle B po ito. So, 0.3 at 0.4. I-add lang natin yan. So, what is 0.3 plus 0.4? Yan po ay 0.7. Okay, so therefore, the probability of event B is 0.7. Okay, how about this number 3 question? The probability of A or event A intersection event B. Okay. So, mula po dito sa ating Venn diagram kapag given, ito po yung napakadaling hanapin. Ano po? Yung intersection of two events. So, ang intersection po niya ay ito pong overlapping ng dalawang events. Okay? So, yung number po dito sa nag-overlap, sa overlapping ng dalawang circle ay 0.3. So, therefore, ang intersection ng event A at event B is 0.3. Okay, so about naman po itong number 4 question, the probability of A union B. So, paano po hanapin yung probability of A union B or event A and event B? So, para makuha po yung kanyang union, we are going to add all the numbers inside event A and event B. So, ito yung mga different numbers inside A and B. So, 0.1, 0.3, at 0.4. So, therefore, para makuha yung kanilang union, i-add natin yung 3 numbers na ito. Okay? So, i-add po natin. So, what is 0.1 plus 0.3 plus 0.4? That is equal to 0.8. So, ayan po yung probability ng A union B. How about naman itong probability of A complement intersection B complement. So, meron po tayong formula na gagamitin para sa intersection ng A complement at B complement. So, ito po yung ating formula. 1 minus the probability of event A union the probability of event B. Okay, so in this case, yung 1 ay subtract natin sa probability of A union B. So, 1 minus, since sa number 4, nakuha na po natin yung probability of A union B. Okay? Since ito po ay 0.8 yung nakalculate po natin. So, substitute lang po natin dito, the probability of A union B is 0.8. So, that is 1 minus 0.8. And then, we are going to subtract. What is 1 minus 0.8? That is equal to 0.2. Or in short, sa atin pong Venn diagram, ito po yung number na nasa loob ng dalawang event. Okay, so hindi po sakop ng event A at event B. So, yung number po dito sa labas ay 0.2. Notice here sa ating Venn diagram, kapag ito po ay probability, dapat if you're going to add all the decimal numbers here, dapat po ay 1. Ano po? So, equal to 1. Ibig sabihin ng 1 kapag probability, that is 100%. Okay? Kaya pag i-add po natin tong 0.2 plus 0.1 plus 0.3 plus 0.4, all in all, ito po ay 1. Ibig sabihin, 100%. Salamat sa panood kaibigan. Kung nagustuhan mo yung video na ito, please like and then subscribe kung bago ka pa lang po dito sa aking channel. At kung may katanungan ka sa video na ito, sa lesson na ito, ay pwede mong i-comment sa comment box at hintayin mo yung aking reply. Be sure lang po na ikaw po ay nag-like at nag-subscribe upang sa ganoon kapag ako po ay nag-reply sa iyong comment o katanungan ay mano-notify po kayo. So marami ko po kasing nagko-comment, ako po ay nagre-reply pero hindi po sila nano-notify sa aking reply, hindi po nila nababasa yung aking reply kasi hindi po sila naka-subscribe. So to sure po na mabasa ninyo yung aking reply sa inyong mga questions, sa inyong mga comments, ay i-subscribe po ninyo yung ating channel. So maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood.